today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on following feed preferences, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to show got posts here, click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean show got posts enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. So you just follow this, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.